Hello friends, welcome to JavaScript tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to study about the timing event in JavaScript. With JavaScript, it is possible to execute some code at specified time intervals. This is called timing events. It's very easy to time events in JavaScript. There are two main methods in JavaScript for these timing events. First, setInterval. It executes a function over and over again at specified time intervals. And second one is setTimeout method. It is used to execute a function once after waiting a specified number of milliseconds. Let's talk about the setInterval method. SetInterval method will wait a specified number of milliseconds and then executes a specified function, and it will continue to execute that function once at every given time interval. This is the syntax of setInterval method, which contains two parameter value. First one is JavaScript function and second one is time interval, which is in milliseconds unit. We know that 1000 milliseconds is 1 second. How to stop this execution? By using clear interval method, we can stop this execution. This is the syntax: clear interval and then interval variable. To be able to use this clear interval method, you must use a global variable when creating the interval method. This is the simple syntax: my variable, which is the global variable, and we have assigned setInterval method to this my variable. Then you will be able to stop this execution by calling the clear interval method. Let's see one example. Here, this is the example of setInterval method. SetInterval method contains function, and this function contains alert box, which will alert hello string, and here I have set 3000 milliseconds. It means after every 3 seconds this function will be executed. Now let's see the output. So here I am going to click this button. 1, 2. So after 2 seconds the alert box is pop up. Okay. Now let's wait for another 2 seconds. So after every 3 seconds this alert box will be opened. Okay. So how to stop it? Right now I am just closing this tab to stop this execution. We can stop this by clear interval method. Let's see how to stop this method. First, I have created my timer function, which is used to display the date. Here we have used toLocateTimeString method of date object. Here it is set into of paragraph tag. In my function I have used setInterval method to execute this my timer function after every 1 second. And this method is assigned to my variable, which is global variable. Now how to stop this execution? By using clear interval, which contains this our global variable. Now let's see the output. Start. So here our clock is start. Now how to stop this clock? Stop. So it is stopped. Now let's talk about the setTimeout method. This is the simple syntax of setTimeout method. The setTimeout method will wait the specified number of milliseconds and then execute the specified function. The first parameter of set timeout should be function, and the second parameter indicates how many milliseconds from now you want to execute the first parameter. And how to stop this set timeout method? Using same way clear timeout method. So I hope now you have clear idea about the set timeout method and set interval method.